Hey y'all, it's Chris with Fin-Atics here. A little cold to be going fishing this morning. Ha! Just kidding. Tomorrow we're going fishing. Today I gotta make the lures to bring with me. We're gonna make them out of kitchen utensils. Stay tuned on step 2 of this video and we're gonna take them down to the lake and see how effective they are. Here we go. We're gonna start with a teaspoon. See how dull that is? First, we're going to polish it up. Put a little polish on it. Alright, to make it a little easier to drill through the spoon, we're going to go ahead and mark where we want it and punch it. Alright, let's go ahead and drill the holes in them now. Alright, now that the holes are in, let's go ahead and cut that baby off. So we have a little burr right here. Just gonna go ahead and knock that off. Look at that. Perfect. Starting to look like a lure. Here's the lure we just made. We put a treble hook, swivel, 2 rings on. Alright, there you have it. Alright y'all, here's a few of the ones that I've made. These right here, these 3 were made with the handles. So we got 4 spoons. I've still got one I can make of the handle. So all I did was cut this end off right here. You can make it short, long, whatever you want. But that ended up right there. Hey y'all, now that I showed you how to make the spoon, let's go head down to the lake, show you how to use it. Tomorrow I'm hopping on my buddy's boat. He's going to be fishing with this fluke. We're going to compare it to the spoon, see which one catches the most fish. Let's do some fishing. Get bowed up.